Hi, my name is Carol Gamble and I'm the Head of Science at Fidelis Secondary School in London. In my department, we put a lot of emphasis on practical work and developing students' practical skills. This is in preparation for GCSEs and A-levels, which is part of the exam requirement. But in addition to that, we want students to develop practical skills. We want them to be able to observe. We want them to measure accurately. We want them to be able to understand size and scale and to be able to handle apparatus confidently and safely. One of the issues we come across is that students often lack the manual dexterity to handle equipment. This might be due to lack of familiarity, but also sometimes it's just that they don't have experience of a wide range of equipment. So to overcome this problem, we spend a lot of time developing the skills in our lessons. When students take part in workshops at the Creative Dimensions Trust, I have seen for myself in a jewellery session where students are developing all of these skills. They're paying attention to detail, they're having to work accurately, they're having to measure. And these are all transferable skills, skills that they will use again in the future, both in their science lessons and beyond. And it doesn't really matter whether students are planning to go on into scientific careers or other kinds of careers, all of these skills will be useful to them. So in my view, taking part in some of the workshops, whatever they be, will help students not only to develop the practical skills, but give them confidence in themselves, and they will understand that these skills can be applied elsewhere, and they will develop and hopefully enjoy participating in practical things. I can see this benefiting students when they go to university as well, when they're going to be able to use those skills to develop even further in more complex scientific settings and carry out their own investigations creatively and safely.